In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, print, or share content from a locked Google Docs document. It's common to encounter situations where you're unable to copy, print, or share your Google Docs document because the document has some restrictions. We're going to tackle this head on with a simple workaround that you can easily follow. First, you'll want to navigate to the locked Google Docs document that you're trying to access. Once you're there, you may notice that the usual right-click functions are disabled. You might find this a bit frustrating, but don't worry, we're gonna get through it together. Next, take a look at the document and you'll initially see that highlighting words and phrases is not an issue. The problem arises when you attempt to right-click to copy, print, or share. The options are grayed out, leaving you stuck. Clicking on the File menu also presents the same predicament. The choices to make a copy or print the document are out of reach. So what do we do next? We're going to change our approach and select the share button. Here you'll again find the limitations. The send button isn't available since it's grayed out. You're unable to proceed in this manner. It's a common setback, but we're going to take a route that works around it. Let's tackle this with a simple yet clever step. Direct your attention to the URL in your browser's address bar. Here's where the magic happens. At the end of the URL, you'll find a phrase that reads edit tab site 0. What you need to do is remove this part and replace it with the word mobile basic. Once you've done this, hit enter and you'll notice the document loads in a simpler format that has fewer restrictions. With the document now in this mobile-friendly view, you can right-click over the text. This time, you'll find that you can access the Save As option. When saving the document, select Save Type as HTML. This allows you to download the document in a format that retains the textual content. Now that you've saved the HTML file onto your computer, go ahead and open it. You will see the Google Docs content displayed in your default web browser. This version allows you to select and copy the text freely. You can also print it, making sharing or further editing a breeze. And there you have it, an easy method to bypass the locked settings on a Google Docs document. Remember, this method is helpful for getting access to editing capability when approved and shouldn't be used for unauthorized distribution. I hope this guide helps simplify your experience with Google Docs, making editing, sharing, and printing easy and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.